Today, your friends at the Freeport Community Library are going to show you how to make your very own painted gingerbread pot. You're going to want to start making your pot by taking a pencil and drawing a design on it. We decided to draw a front door with a couple candy canes on our pot. And we also decided to add some windows to our pot as well. Once you're done drawing your design on your pot, and you can come up with anything you like, then you can paint it. We decided to paint our front door blue, and we're using some white to start making candy canes on either side of the front door. If you want to make your windows look like they're glowing or lit up from inside, you can paint them yellow. We also used some yellow and blue paint mixed together to make green, so that we could draw a tree on our pot. We also mixed some yellow and blue paint together to make some green, so we could draw a wreath on our front door. Then we used some of the blue to paint some shutters on either side of the window. You want to make sure you rinse your brush between colors. Then we use some white to finish our windows. We also used the end of our brush that was really small to draw the fine lines of red on our candy canes. We also used the end of our brush to define the lines and neaten up the windows. Then we took our white and we started painting snow on the bottom of our pot and a bunch of snow on the top of the pot. After we finished the snow, we used the small end of our brush to make some ornaments in the tree and to make a star at the top of the trees. We mixed some purple using the blue and the red to make some gumdrops. We also made some more green so we could make some green gumdrops on our gingerbread house. Finally, we made some red and yellow and blue gumdrops. Have fun making your very own painted gingerbread pot.